am showing how to use protractor. In protractor there are two scales. Inner scale, it is start from here 0, 10, 20, 40, 50, then 180. And outer scale start from this side, left side. This is 0, 10, 20 and 90. Now I am showing when you will use inner scale and when you will use outer scale. This is 40-degree angle for right side. How to measure this angle? We take this protractor and put this point at the end point and this line on the base line. You see how I am putting. This point you should adjust on A and your base line should be below the base line of your protractor. See, like this. Now you see the another line of your angle, this, and you will check this is 40 in inner scale and 140 at outer scale. But you start from to count your angle from 0. This is 0, so you are using here inner scale 0, 10, 20, 30 and 40. This is 40, not 140. Here right side angles you use inner scale, and when you this is our left side angle, you use this protractor, put this point at the B point and your base line on the base line, like this. See, your point should be here and your baseline should be below the baseline. Now your angle this side, this is 40 and this is 140, but you should always start from 0. So in this angle you use outer scale. So this is 40, not 140. Now I am going to make a angle. First you have to draw a baseline, straight line. Give points A and B. Now how to make angle? First you put this point at this point and baseline should be below your baseline. See, like this. Now which angle you want to draw? 30. So you put dot here at the 30. If you want to make an angle of 60, you put dot near 60, like this. Now remove your protractor and take your scale and join these two points. This is 30-degree angle and this is 60-degree angle. This whole is 60-degree angle, like this. This way you can draw any angle. If you want to draw this side angle, left side angle, there you will use your outer scale, like this. First you draw baseline A and B. Now if you want to use your outer scale, this point should be on B and your baseline below the baseline of your protractor. If you want to draw angle of 40 degree, you put your dot on 40 degree and join these two points. This is 40-degree angle, and here you use outer scale and here you use inner scale. Like this you can make any angle by using your protractor. Thank you.